In this tutorial, we will see that how you can fix can't follow people on TikTok in just few steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, open TikTok and open up your profile page. So to fix this issue, the first solution is from your profile page, click on these three lines from right top side. Open settings and privacy and scroll it down. You will see here cache and cellular. Open free up space and here you will get this cache which is more than 700 MBs. Simply clear cache from here. After clearing this cache, you can simply go back and try to follow the people. If that's not work, what you can do is simply if you swipe up from bottom side of your screen, you will find here these all apps. Simply clear it from here and then open it again. If it's still not work, what you can do is simply try to switch your network from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Or if you are using mobile data, you can switch it to Wi-Fi. Sometimes a slow or unstable internet connection can cause these issues. So you can simply try to switch these and simply restart your TikTok application. And if you have followed too many people for a short period of time, so maybe you have followed 20 or 50 accounts in couple of hours or a shorter period, you may have triggered some sort of anti-bot detection system, and this will make TikTok think that you are bot. So in this case, you have to wait for 24 hours or even more before they will let you follow people from your accounts. And if it's still not work for you, the last solution is to contact TikTok support, where you can live chat with TikTok support team. From right upper side, click on these three lines and open settings and privacy. Scroll it down. At the end, here you will get this support and about tab. Select report a problem. Here you can select chat with us. Now you can chat with TikTok support team. They will help you to fix your issue. You can simply type your issue that I am unable to follow people on TikTok. Help me with this issue. And they will give you best solutions to fix this issue. So that's how you can fix can't follow people on TikTok in just few steps.